Hey guys, today I'm going to show you falling leaves animation in Blender. So let's start. So first of all, you have to pick a picture, PNG sequence of a leaf like this. And you're gonna click Shift A and you're gonna add a plane. We're gonna scale it up, something like this, and we'll move it above. Okay. Now you're gonna go over here where it says particles. You're gonna click plus icon and you're gonna set number to, let's say, 1500 and lifetime to 300. Okay, now you're gonna go over here to render and you're gonna click render as object and you're gonna click this pick whip tool and select your leaf. And to see your leaves, you should move this timeline and you can see them. Now over here, you're gonna scale them up a bit and move scale randomness a bit also. Okay, now you're gonna click rotation and we're gonna set randomize to 1, phase to 1 and randomize phase to 2. Now back over here, you're gonna click Shift plus A and we're going to go force field and click turbulence. Now over here where it says physics, we are going to change strength to, let's say, 330. And when you click play button, you can see them falling. I mean, you can always change the settings over here and you'll see a different animation. But yeah, this is how to create falling leaves animation in Blender. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.